Hello aspirants, I hope all of you are in good health and doing absolutely fine with your preparation. Students, first of all, I welcome you all to this session on behalf of Eden IAS. Students, it is an immense pleasure to announce that we are going to launch a new answer writing program for anthropology optional. Now, let us try to have a look at the significance of answer writing in UPSC mains, particularly from the anthropology perspective. Now, in this context, let me remind you one of the famous lines given by Francis Bacon. That is, he says that reading maketh a man, reading maketh a full man. You might have heard this also. And conference a ready man. Conference a ready man. And writing an exact man. Have you heard it? See, these lines which have been given by Francis Bacon is very much relevant to our UPSC preparation also. When we look from the point of our UPSC examination, UPSC also tries to look for all these kinds of skills from the aspirants, that is reading, writing and communication skills. See, when we look from the perspective of preliminary examination, we need to have the habit of wide reading skill. And when we look from the mains perspective, we need to have the writing capabilities. And when we look from the personality test point of view, we need to have a good communication skills. So, in this UPSC journey, this particular quote, which has been given by Francis Bacon, holds an absolute relevance. So, our endeavor is to make you an exact man from this perspective related to answer writing. Okay? And now, when we look at the significance of answer writing in UPSC mains, the significance is that answer writing is one of the crucial aspects in deciding the success of a candidate. And in fact, it is a skill that you acquire over a period of time. That means the more you practice, the more you acquire the skill. Okay? So, and even when you just practice the answer writing on a regular basis with consistency, then it becomes a best possible weapon in your hands to just acquire the best possible marks, and which can make you best out of the rest from all the candidates who are competing with you. And in other words to say, the basic objective behind launching this initiative is that you might have heard that success is nothing but sum of small efforts done day in and day out. In other words to say, a little practice a day can add up to great results. So that is the objective behind launching this program. And in this program, we will be having a small daily practice which can help you to just succeed in your ambition, right? And friends, let me just tell you that this initiative can definitely boost your confidence with reference to writing practice. And in fact, I can confidently say that this particular initiative can help you in achieving success, and this also can help you to sail the ocean of UPSC journey and takes you to the shore of success, right? So, having understood all of these, now let us try to look at the overview of the program and the details of the program. And in fact, friends, in fact, when we are launching this initiative, we got a lot of questions and a lot of inquiries related to with many queries. So that's why I'm just doing this particular video now here. So the program, it's at the when we look at the duration of the program, the duration of the program is 10 weeks. 10 weeks, that is almost 2.5 months. We should at least spend this much of time related to anthropology. That is optional preparation. It can be from any other optional, right? And this particular period, that is like we are going to start this from 18th of October onwards. And from 18th of October to 24th of December, the program will continue. This particular period, this is 24th December, like we have kept in mind that for those aspirants who are going to give the mains of 2021, we will be finishing this schedule well before the mains examination, and in fact, some 2 weeks before the mains examination, we will be winding up this program. So that is one thing. And when we look at the number of questions per day, we will be giving you 4 questions daily, 4 questions per day for 5 days in a week. 5 days in a week, that is starting from Monday to Friday, we will be giving you 4 questions daily, and you need to write the answers and submit it to the management. So this is one thing. Then when we look at the number of tests and the syllabus has been comprehensively and intensively covered. In fact, the focus has been given equally to both the papers, that is paper 1 and paper 2. Now, when we look at the number of tests and the schedule, and when we look at the importance given to each paper, it is like this. We will be having a total of 45 tests. Out of these 45 tests, we will be just dedicating some 23 tests towards paper 1, and we will be dedicating 17 tests towards paper 2, and then we will be having 4 tests for revision, that is 2 tests from paper 1 and 2 tests from paper 2, and then finally we will be having a set of mock tests consisting of paper 1 plus paper 2. So this will be the schema of our answer writing program. See, you can look that like more or less we are giving equal importance to both the papers, and we are also trying to allocate time for revision of those particular sections, and at the end we will be having mock tests also. So this is how you can just read the optional, you can just revise the optional, and even this also serves and suffice for your practice related to self-study also. So this is a program which is being designed keeping from this upcoming UPSC mains examination point of view. And in fact, those aspirants who are going to prepare for UPSC 2022 also, for them also, we can make some small customizations in the schedule. So as this program just lasts for 70 days, for those students who wants little customizations in the program, that is if they want to just elaborate the schedule, we can also have that flexibility. Friends, finally remember the words of Sri Ravindranath Tagore that you cannot cross the sea merely by standing and staring at the water. That means if you want to cross an ocean, if you want to cross the sea, what you have to do, you need to get first into that water, then you need to start swimming, then only you can reach the shore of success. So I request all of you to avail this particular opportunity and start your journey towards the shore of success in UPSC. And now, in other words, to say that never ever dream for this success, just start working upon this success. So friends, for any further details, you can just contact the management of Eden IAS. Along with that, for further details, you can also download the schedule of the PDF copy from the description box. So students, see you soon in the next video with another interesting topic, and for now, thanking you once again on behalf of Eden IAS. We'll meet again in the next session. Thank you all of you.